In this video, we will go over some of the practice problems for factoring. So let's work it together. So first example we have is 5ab minus 5b. Okay, I will also explain and we will go over together. So in this example, we need some common number that is over here and the second term, first and second term. As you can clearly see, first we will take a look at the numbers. We have two numbers, both are 5, so 5 is common. Then we will take a look at the variable. A is present only in the first term and not in the second term, but B is present in both the terms, so we will take B. Okay, now in the parenthesis we will put something right over here where 5b, this number right here, will multiply and we will get 5ab. So 5b is already outside. Inside we will put a, so we will get 5ab. The second term is negative by 5b. So first we will put a negative sign because this is positive. So then 5 is already outside along with b, so it will be simply 1. Okay, so that will be answer for this one. Let's take a look at problem number 2. Let's say we have 18 wz minus 27 w square z. Okay, so don't get confused, they are different variables. They are purposely like this, so you can understand, doesn't matter whether it's x, y, z, a, b or anything, the concept is still the same. So we need a factor between 18 and 27 first. Okay, well, 2 doesn't go in 27, 18 goes, 3 goes in both of them, yes, 6 not in 27, 9, and 9 is the only one that goes in both of them, and that is the biggest one as well. So we will take 9 first. Then we will take a look at the variables. How about w? We have w in first term, it's only 1, and we have w square, so we will take the common one, that is only 1 w, and then we have z in both the ones, so it will be z. Okay, so this is our common we take outside, 9wz. In the parenthesis for the first term we will have only 2 because 9wz times 2, that will give us the whole first term. Then the second term we have negative sign and it will multiply only with 3. 9 times 3 is 27, and we will also multiply with w because there are w square and outside we have only 1, so like this we will get w times w, w square. Okay, and this is our answer for this one. So let's take a look at one more example. You might feel that it is a very difficult problem, but it is not, it is very easy. So let's say we have 8x cubed minus 10x square minus 14x. So if you look at it, you will see, of course, they are all even. You can divide it with 2 and x also because x is present in all of them. So first we will take common as 2x. Inside will be, for the first term, what is the number that will multiply with 2x, that we get 8x cubed. So 2 times 4 is 8. X is already outside. We will multiply with x square and we will get x cubed. So for the second term we will multiply with 5x and the last term will be minus 7. Okay, and that is it. We don't have to factor further. A lot of students start to work out with the advanced problems such as like 4 times 7 is 28. So what are the two numbers that, listen, this statement right here, this equation cannot be factored further, so leave it as it is. Okay, so that's why I said it might look scary, but it is not. So let's go to the next problem. We have, let's say, 9p qr minus 12p square qr minus 14rx. So as you can see, it's totally different variables. Nobody uses in maths pqr. They are mostly abc or xyz, but it will be important to understand the concept. So first we will take a factor from numbers. What is something common in 9, 12 and 14? Actually there's nothing because 3 will go over here and 12, but not in the 14 term, the third term. So we will take a look at the variable. How about p? P doesn't go 1, 2, but nothing in the third term. How about q? Same situation. r is the only one and x is only in the last term. So r is the only factor that we will take. Inside will be the remaining numbers, 9pq minus 12p square q minus 14x. Okay, because we take only r as common. Let's take a look at a little bit complex problem. So it will give you some practice, and don't worry, it won't be too much. Okay, let's take a look at this one. We have 14x square y minus 35xy minus 63x. So first we will take obviously a number common that is in 14, 35 and 63. Well, 2 doesn't go everywhere, 3 goes over here, that's the only place. Actually 7 is the only one that goes everywhere. So first we will write 7. Okay, how about a variable x? X is here, x is here. X is in all the terms, first, second and third term. How about y? Y is here, but not in the third term. So we won't write y. So inside the parenthesis, what are the numbers that we multiply with 7x that we get this whole thing? Okay, 14x square y. 7 is already outside. In order to get first the number, concentrate on numbers only. 7 times 2, that is 14. So we got 14. Now we need x square y. 1x is already outside. So we need x and y. We will multiply with this. So 2xy times 7x will give us the first term. Now for the second term, we have a negative sign. This is plus over here. So we will put a negative sign. Now we will multiply 7 times 5. That is 35. X we already have. Y we will multiply over here. Then again we have negative sign. This negative sign I'm talking about. And now we will multiply 7 times 9. We will get 63. Right? And 1x is already outside and we need only 1x. So this is it, and this is our final answer. So make sure to subscribe to our channel. This is a new channel, it's less than 2 months old. I'm still making videos every single day. If you have any feedback to give, any suggestions, please do let me know in the comment section, and I will see you tomorrow. Goodbye, take care.